Hey guys, this is Tay and Kevin and welcome back to the vlog Takes Two to Travel. In today's vlog, we are going to visit a well-known resort in Calatagan, Batangas. This is the Calatagan South Beach Resort, or short as the CaSoBe. But before anything else, for more ideas, travel guide, and information, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Calatagan, Batangas is only a 3-hour drive from Manila, which makes it very accessible if you are coming from the city.
Register mo na po kayo sa loob ng Aquaria. Kaliwa po yung parking natin.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, sir, natin po.
For our CaSoBe trip, we will show you the different accommodations, amenities, and activities inside the resort. So if you're interested, please make sure you finish watching this video.
Magre-register muna tayo bago tayo mag-check-in.
We already booked the room on their website and the room cost 3,550 pesos a night, good for 2 packs. Note that this is a discounted rate because of the promo. This includes the Cocoon, free breakfast, access at the beach club, and Aquaria waterpark. Upon check-in, you have to pay for the tourism ecological fee, which is 30 pesos per pax, and pay for the security deposit fee, which is 1,000 pesos. If you don't have cash, IDs are also acceptable. Once paid, they will give you your keys, Wi-Fi password, and the access pass at the whole resort.
Sakay na kami sa golf cart.
Once done, they will drop you off at the Cocoons area as it is quite far from the registration area. What also surprised us is that they have golf carts for you to ride and roam around since the place is quite big. You can just call them if you need a ride going back to your room, to the beach, or going to the restaurants. It's really convenient to go anywhere. As you can see, the place is big and can accommodate a lot of guests, as they have different room accommodations, great for couples, family, or barkada vacation. Finally arrived at the Cocoons area.
Okay.
Yung switch po ng lights, nandito po sa right side.
Okay.
Tapos sa drawer po, yung ating pong toiletries. May free na po tayong bottled water sa loob po ng mini fridge, then free coffee po.
Okay.
Pag may concerns or request po, tawag lang po tayo dun sa may welcome letter, may QR code po doon, scan lang po natin. At the same time, yung contact numbers po ng mga restaurants po.
Alright. Thank you po.
Enjoy your stay po.
Thank you. Yun. Andito tayo ngayon sa may Calatagan, Batangas, sa loob ng CaSoBe. Dito sa loob ng CaSoBe, merong mga resorts na nakapaloob dito. Kasama na ron si Cocoons, Aquaria, and si Crusoe. Si Cocoons, dito kami ngayon naka-check-in. As you can see, ayan, nasa likod ko. Yung mga maliliit na Cocoons na yan. Dito kami ngayon sa number 1. Katapat lang namin yung mismong common area. Pwede kayo mag-chill dyan, uminom ng kape, uminom ng beer, whatever, kahit anong kainin nyo, o kung anong gusto nyong gawin dyan, pwede kayo mag-work. ito yung cool dyan, oh. Yung susi mo nasa wrist mo na, so hindi na siya mawawala sa'yo. Yun. Hindi kumaga. Yan. Dito sa gilid makikita nyo yung switch ng lights. Lahat ng ilaw nandito nakalagay. And then may small cubby sa ilalim. Pwede kayo maglagay ng mga tsinelas or sapatos and whatnot. And then ayan yung TV. Sa ilalim ng TV, yan makikita nyo may cabinets dyan. So pwede kayo maglagay ng mga gamit nyo. So kahit maliit siya, may mga lalagyan talaga kayo ng mga gamit ninyo. May mga stars dito sa ceiling pero hindi masyadong kita dahil maliwanag pa. Tapos meron din safety vault dito. Kung mag-iwan kayo ng mga importanteng gamit, pwede nyo yan ilagay. Then may lamp dun sa dulo. Yan, maganda rin na meron din dun sa dulo ng mga socket. Para pag mag-charge kayo sa gabi bago matulog. And doon meron din switch ng lights. And then merong hot kettle dito. Yeah, mag-iinit ka na lang ng tubig kung gusto mo mag-coffee. Then may towels din pala silang kasama. Dito may toiletries na nakalagay. And then mini ref na may kasamang water. Yan. Kompleto, di ba? So sulit na sulit yung bayad. Ayos. Ito yung itsura niya pag madilim. Ayan. Mas kita na yung stars. And then may ilaw doon. Tsaka may night light din kayo sa dulo pagka gusto nyo magbasa. May switch din sila doon. Ganda. Pakita ko sa inyo yung perspective pag nakahiga.
For the comfort room, there is a common CR near the Cocoons. The shower and toilet are separated. We prefer to use this comfort room as it is accessible and much nearer from our room. There is another public comfort room which is quite far from our Cocoon. This is much bigger, has more sinks, showers, and toilets. Even if it is a common area, they keep it clean naman each and after use of the guests. Maayos siya and looks very new pa. Dito rin yung option na may hot shower and mas may malalagyan ka pa ng gamit mo para hindi mabasa. Now let's go and check the amenities and the accommodations of the resort.
Tara, lapit tayo dun sa dagat mismo. Let's go! Yan, pakita namin sa inyo. Exciting! Hang 40. Sobrang araw ngayon.
Now we are going to Aquaria water park to swim at the pool and try their slide. Let's go!
Let's go! Tapos namin mag-swimming, punta naman kami ngayon dun sa restaurant sa The Sands. Yan. Meron kasi kami free breakfast. Yeah. Siyempre, pag free, laging masarap. Let's go, kain naman.
We enjoyed our Calatagan beach trip. We highly recommend for you to book at Cocoons and enjoy the amenities at this resort. We hope you enjoyed watching our Batangas trip. Where do you think we should go next? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoy watching our vlogs, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel updates. Thanks for watching!